Hello children, let us learn about the sounds of some animals. Apes, gibber. Bats, monkeys, owls and parrots screech. Bears, growl. Bees and flies hum and buzz. Calves, lambs and sheep bleat. Camels grunt. Chickens and hens cluck. Cats mew. Cows moo. Crows caw. Dogs and foxes bark. Deers bell. Dolphins click. Donkeys bray. Doves and pigeons coo. Ducks and geese quack. Eagles, peacocks and vultures scream. Elephants trumpet. Frogs croak. Giraffes and goats bleat. Grasshoppers and crickets chirp. Hares, mice, rabbits and rats squeak. Horses neigh. Hummingbirds hum. Hyenas scream. Jackals and wolves howl. Kangaroos chortle. Tigers and lions roar. Mosquitoes whine. Oxen and rhinoceros bellow. Pigs grunt. Snakes hiss. Whales and nightingales sing. Zebras whinny.